Section 2, which is fiber optic. My name is Priya and my matrix number is 06DEP24F1022. For the first question, we will be talking about 5 advantages of fiber optic compared to copper cable. For data transmission, in fiber optic cable, the bandwidth is higher, stable performance, faster data speed, can transmit data tens to hundreds of kilometers with repeaters. For copper cable, the bandwidth low and slower data speeds. Signal degrades over shorter distances requiring repeaters. In durability, fiber optic cable immune to electromagnetic interference, which is EMI, and more resistant to environmental factors like temperature changes. For copper cable, not immune to EMI and RFI, which can corrupt data, less durable in certain environmental conditions. For security, fiber optic cable highly secure, light confined in fiber core, which make it difficult to tap in without detection, as it would cause a complete link failure. For copper cable, less secure, can be easily tapped to intercept data. In maintenance cost, fiber optic cable generally has lower long-term maintenance cost due to its longevity and resistance to interference, which means it lasts longer. But for copper cable can require more maintenance due to susceptibility to damage and signal degradation over distance. For weight and size, fiber optic cable thinner and lighter, make it easier to handle and install and taking up less space. However, copper cable heavier and bulkier, making installation more cumbersome and requiring more space. Question 2, they ask for a suitable illustration. Demonstrate how fiber optic cable can be applied in high-speed data transmission systems such as residential networks. This is my diagram. In the first, data center or SP, which means Internet Service Provider. It stores and sends data as light and uses optical line terminal. Next, it will go to fiber optic cable, which carries light through core and uses total internal reflection and long distance transmission. The next will be optical splitter, which divides one signal to many users and no electrical conversion. From optical splitter, it will go to ohm A, ohm B and ohm C. And from ohm A it will go to router, from ohm B it will go to router 2, and from ohm C it will go to router 2. Finally, it will all be going to user devices such as phones, laptops, TVs and moreover. Application of fiber optic cable in high-speed data transmission system, which is from data center to user network. It first goes through encoding, which sends data signals are converted into light pulses using a transmitter, laser or LED. Second, internal reflection. Light travels through the fiber core using total internal reflection. Then, in the data center to user network, it also has long distance transmission, in which light signals travel through optical fibers with very low loss. In that, signal splitting also happens, which means optical splitter divide the main signal to serve multiple users. Second, user network is sent to user. In user network and to user, there will be fiber optic modem or MT that converts optical signals into electrical signal. In there too, there is a router which distributes the data signal wirelessly to devices in the home, just like I showed in the diagram. There's also user devices, which mean computers, smartphones and TVs receive the high-speed internet connection. Thank you.